Well, good morning to you out there. This is Coach P, Jim Pusateri, and today's words of encouragement. Create your life blueprint and have a step-by-step process for achievement. Yes, folks, are you achieving everything it is that you want in this world? If not, do you have a step-by-step process so you can? Have you become a goal setter? Do you have a blueprint for your life? Yes, folks, we tell you here all the time that you need to master the 3 phases of achievement: passion, goal setting, and mindset. Today we're talking about goal setting, though, creating your life blueprint. Yes, folks, it's pretty simple. Just ask yourself, what is it that you want? What do you want to achieve? Write it down. Put a date on when you'd like to achieve it, break it into action steps, and go to work and achieve. It's your life blueprint. It's your step-by-step process, and it'll get you through them bad times in life. For the rest of this podcast, hit that link in the show notes above or wherever you download your podcast. Have a great day. Move forward.